What's up everybody, Kevin here, and we are back with our journey through C# tutorial. In this video we are going to create nested loop. Let's start it. First things first, you need to know what the nested loop exactly is. For example, you write a for loop in the block of another for loop. We called it nested loop. It is also for while loop and DoWhile loop. And let's have some examples of them here. Okay, we start with for loop. For int I equals 0, I less than 10, I plus plus. Again, we write another for here. For int j equals 0, j less than 10, j plus plus. And then we want to print I in this block of the second for loop. Okay, now we created a nested loop, a for loop in another for loop. We called it nested loop and it has a lot of usage. And this kind of loops are so important to know them. Let's start the program once to see what is going on exactly. Okay, as you can see, it prints us 0, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 9. Okay, it prints 9 times of 0 and 9 times of 1 and all the way to 9 times of 9. Okay then, this is for loop, and we also have exactly the same thing in while loop. And for DoWhile loop, I'll show you in the rest of the video. And that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video and find it helpful. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Hope you have an awesome day and peace out.